Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can fix Gcash internal server error. So let's dive right in. So most of the time, this error happens because the Gcash app is undergoing maintenance. If that's the case, you'll usually receive a notification or an email at your registered email address, letting you know when the maintenance is happening. If you haven't received any notifications, don't worry, there are a few things you can try to fix the issue. First, double-check that you're using the most up-to-date version of the Gcash app. To do this, open your device's App Store, either the Google Play Store or the App Store, depending on what phone you have. Search for the Gcash app, and if there's an update available, you'll see an Update button. Tap on it to ensure you're running the latest version. If updating the app doesn't resolve the issue, the next step is to clear the cache. To do this, go to your phone's settings and use the search bar to find App Manager. Once you find it, locate Gcash in your list of apps and tap on it. Then, scroll down until you reach the Storage section. Here, you'll see two options: Clear Cache and Clear Data. It's a good idea to start by clearing the cache, and if that doesn't work, you can proceed to clear the data. Clearing the cache removes temporary files, while clearing the data resets the app entirely, which can often fix issues like this one. After doing that, restart the Gcash app, and the internal server error should hopefully be resolved. And that's it, you're done.